Mill operators searching for ways to increase productivity of their SAG mills can now enjoy the benefits of complete mill service from FLSmith, including supply, installation, 3D scanning, inspection, optimization, process support, bundle pricing, and more. Understanding the ways in which the mill lining wears is key to increasing uptime and accurately scheduling maintenance shutdowns. It all begins with 3D scanning the mill chamber, which provides a means to visually compare the worn set of liners against a scan of new liners to gauge wearing trends and schedule maintenance. These 3D scans safely allow in-depth inspections and require significantly less time for liner specialists to be inside the mill. In fact, the entire scanning setup and teardown can be completed in 15 minutes. Analysis of up to 50 million data points collected during the scan offers insight on the wear pattern and even provides information about operating practices and projected wear life. Using this data, our mill specialists generate a report that we review with the customer, discussing wear life estimations, shutdown planning, and opportunity for improved operating procedures. Using DEM software and topological analysis, we are able to simulate and analyze optimizations and consider changes to mechanical and material designs that may improve liner productivity and wear life. As one of the few suppliers of both mills as well as mill liners, FLSmith can provide technical advisory services and audits to help customers select the appropriate liner materials, including cast steel, rubber, or composite, for improved productivity and safety. We also provide highly skilled and experienced relining installation service. FLSmith has vast experience with designing, manufacturing, installing, and commissioning a variety of mill types and sizes. Our range of expertise is unparalleled by other suppliers. This combination of design and operational know-how allows us to provide insight and tailor specific solutions that meet our customers' needs. FLSmith, we discover potential.